Hello, Maximates. I hope you are all good in Kcet preparation. Before starting this session, I would like to say to our subscribers, followers, and Kcet aspirants. And it's a great news to inform to you. I decided to do one mock test paper discussion in our YouTube channel for in a day, as well as you will get around 12 to 15 mock test paper discussion up to Kcet examination in our YouTube channel. I assure you students, if you watch all the mock test paper discussion, you will get minimum 50 marks to maximum 59 or 60, no doubt. This is my assurance to our followers and subscribers as well as Kcet aspirants. Now, and the first two mock tests is based on only two concepts. First one is differential calculus and second one is integral calculus. Why, I will tell you. See, most of the students, there will be face difficulty in these two concepts. Maybe few also. And what is the main problem, I will tell you. These two topics problems, it will take too much time in solving in examination time, but you have only 1 minute time, right? How much you will do fast, that's a very important. So that's why first I would like to start differential calculus and integral calculation. If you are able to solve these two topics are very fastly, you will get more advantage in your upcoming Kcet examination. This is only my intention to students. After that, these two mock tests, you will get from mock test 3 full syllabus questions. This is our plan, what we are going to discuss in upcoming days. I hope all students you understood my plan. And also here I would like to inform to you, this complete mock test I will solve in completely different manner. Suppose if I am aspirant, how I will approach this all problems, how much I will do first, like that only I will do. Here my intention, how much first I will do, like that. It is for it will take 45 minutes or 50 minutes. Why? Because of I should do again bubble also, right? So it is very important. It's like time management, right? So that's why. So I see here, I won't be do full method. I will just observe the question. So what is the correct question, I will pick within the seconds of time. As well as I will request to you, few students, whoever facing difficulty in understanding, whenever you are watching this video, if you are facing difficulty or not understanding, you should write a comment. I will 100% reply to your comment, students. Okay, now I will start the mock test paper discussion. Now see the first question. Which of the following is not true always? They are asking not true. If f of x is not continuous, not differentiable. Yes, always. If f of x is continuous, then it's differentiable. No, it's a not true, right? Why? What is counter example? Mod x is continuous. It is need not be differentiable, right? So it is exact correct option. And also, if f of x, oh, it's wrong, right? Okay, please students here correct it. It is comma, right? If f of x, oh, if f of x, give me a second, if f of x comma g of x are differentiable, then their sums also differentiable. Yes, it's always true. If f of x is continuous at x equal to a, then its a limit exists. Yes, it is also true. So what is it? False. It's a option 2. How much time you want? Just it's a fraction of time, right? Next, see the next question. Okay, here I will write that reason also. Mod x is CTS, it means continuous, but need not be differentiable. Next question, see this question. If f of x and g of x are two functions with g of x equal to x minus 1 by x, and it's a composition of circle g x equal to x cube minus 1 by x. See, whenever I observe this question, right, in composition they gave it is looks like a cube minus b cube, right? It is in the form of a cube minus b cube instead of a x, instead of b 1 by x. It is my observation. Now what is f circle g of x? General f circle g of x is just a composition, right? It means f of g of x equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. What is f of g of x? If you replace this one by x minus 1 by x, what you will get, we will see. I will write solution here. F of x, g of x, I'm replacing x minus 1 by x equal to, here it is looks like a cube minus b cube, right, where a equal to x and b equal to 1 by x. What is a cube minus b cube formula? Okay, wait, so okay, I will add here. What is a cube minus b cube formula? We can write a minus b whole cube plus 3ab times a minus b, right? Now use this formula and tell me answer. Now this one, yeah, x cube minus, so I'm writing directly this, applying this one, a cube minus b cube, right? So what is a minus b whole cube here? X minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3ab instead of x, instead of b 1 by x into a minus b, it means x minus 1 by x, right? Then what is your observation here? The term x and x will be cancelled, and remaining terms, it is x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 times x minus 1 by x. What is your observation here? Observe that whatever the variable here, right, in this here, x minus 1 by x, all terms is same. See, suppose if I am take p here p cube, here p, right? So I am taking it is like p. Then for easy calculation, now take here like let f of p equal to, okay, give me a moment, they're asking f dash of x, right? Okay, they're asking in terms of x, right? Sorry students, and I will take instead of p here x only. F of x equal to, yes, then it goes to x cube plus 3x, right? From this one, what is the derivative here? F dash of x equal to power 3x square plus 3 times derivative of x is 1. So it is our derivative. Now just where it is the f dash of x equal to 3x square plus 3. So here, yeah, it's option number 1, right? Next question, observe. Understood this question? It's a just composition of function. Next question. It's a very easy question, right? It's a basic formula derivative. Now what is this formula here? It looks like y is equal to a power x. What is a power x derivative? A power x times log a, right? Your x should coefficient plus 1 always. Now just I am using that formula and then I will pick answer. Derivative of a power x. A power x answer? A power x 2 power log x times into log a. What is log a here? Log 2. Where it is there? Here it is there. Here it is there. What is x coefficient here? Log x. Internal derivative of log x 1 by x. So where it is option? Option number 4. So if you won't do internal derivative, you'll pick this one. It will always be wrong. Clear students? Next one. It is also standard answer, right? 1 minus x by cos 1 minus cos x by x square, they are saying is continuous at x equal to 0, right? Suppose if I am substitute limit, what will happen? 1 minus cos 0 is 1, here 0, 0 by 0. What is 0 by 0? Hospital, if you go by like this, it's a standard result, right? What is the continuous? Left hand limit equal to right hand limit, then value of k. It's a standard result. This answer is half. How I will tell you. What is the limit continuous function? Limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of a, right? Then limit, if I am substitute, limit x tends to 0, f of x. What is f of x here? 1 minus cos x by x square equal to f of 0 at 0, what is answer here? Okay, if I am substitute 0, what you will get? 0 by 0, right? Then if I am go by L hospital rule, then how many times is required? 2 times. Okay, do one time first derivative, then understood my point, students? Here if I am go by here substituting 0, then I will get 0 by 0. What is 0 by 0? It's a L hospital rule, right? If I apply what is the meaning of L hospital rule? It's a individual derivative of numerator and denominator as well as. So derivative of 1 is goes to 0, derivative of minus cos, it's a plus sign, right? Sin x by 2x equal to k, and we know limit extends to 0. It's a sandwich theorem result, right? Limit extends to 0, sin x by x goes to 1. So this side is remaining only half, so we can say from this one k equal to half. Clear? So what is the value of k? Half. See, for learning you should know, whenever you know this one, just pick the answer and go for next question. Now see this one, say variable power variable, right? Whenever saying variable power variable, what is the best shortcut trick? Take logging on both side. If I am take log on both side, then log of x power x equal to log of y to the power y. You know, right? Log, okay, I will write here log a power b equal to b times log a. Same this formula I am using, and I will write next x log x equal to y log y. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides, then we will see. Then what we will get? It's a product of two functions, right? It's a u, it's a v. It's a u, it's a v. Then do derivative. Then first u dash. What is the product of two functions? Here I will write dy dx of uv equal to u dash v plus u v dash. Then down derivative first instead of x, so 1 times log x plus x times derivative of log x, 1 by x equal to first y derivative y dash into log y plus y times log y derivative 1 by y into y dash. Clear? After this one, now see here, cancellations will be whole, right? X will be cancelled as well as y will be cancelled. Now take on y dash terms. One side I am taking y dash is common. Then what we will get here? 1 plus log y in RHS side. What about LHS side? 1 plus log x. Now I want to find here y dash. From this one, what is y dash answer? Y dash is equal to 1 plus log x by 1 plus log y. Now see the options, then pick the correct option. It is the 1 plus log x. It's option number 4 is the correct option. Now see this question. It's a greatest integer function, right? What is the greatest integer function? It's a like step function, right? Okay, I will draw the diagram first. Graph of the step function, it is like first this one, then 2, it looks like steps. So that's why what is the alternative name of this one? Step function. And observe the students here, where it is the function is clearly discontinuous here at exactly integers, right? Say integers 1 2 3 4 and so on, and also say -1 -2 and -3, and where the function is clearly continuous. Tell me here, I will show you, right? Yeah, here function is continuous, here function is continuous, here function is continuous, here function is continuous. What is this? This one, it is except integers, right? It means the points non-integers. What are these points here called? Non-integer. In mathematical, particularly, the points are called non-integral. Non-integral, the graph is continuous. Coming to integral points, what is graph role here? At integral points, it's a clearly graph is discontinuous. So what is my correct option here? Now read the options. Continuous only positive integral. No, it's not right. In opposite here also there, right? Continuous for all non-integral values. Yes, it's a continuous for all non-integral points. So option number 2 only. And read this remaining options. Continuous only. No, continuous for all. No. So option 2 is correct. And now see the next question. Now see this question, and if you apply the, okay, first this said continuous. Okay, write the continuous definition at x equal to 1, right? So limit x tends to f of x equal to f of what is f of 1 here? K. What is the function here? Substitute. Limit x tends to 1 log x by x minus 1 is equal to k. Observe here, if I apply the limit log 1 0 1 minus 1 0, it is clearly 0 by 0 form. What is whenever we are getting 0 by 0? L hospital rule. What this means? F dash of x by g dash of x, individual derivatives of both numerator and denominator. Now apply. Then what will happen? If a derivative of a numerator here log x is 1 by x and the derivative of x minus 1 is 1, where our limit x approaches to 1, that side equal to k. If you apply the limits, clearly the k value is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So the function is the value of k is here, k equal to 1. Option 3 is correct. Now next question, d by dx of, they are asking derivative. So if you first observe this question, it is which form? Under root of a plus x by a minus x. There are two forms, I mean two substitutions. If it is 1 plus x under root 1 minus x means put x equal to cos theta. Simple. Why? Because of 1 plus cos theta, direct formula 2 cos square theta by 2 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Suppose if it is 2 plus x by 2 minus x, here x it is not 1, right? That time put x equal to cos 2 theta, then we can take 2, then cancellation is will very easy. Now put x is equal to 2 times cos theta. If I take this side, dy dx of cos square of cot inverse under root of, if I am substitute x equal to cos theta, then 2 I will take outside and 1 numerator will get 1 plus cos theta and denominator 1 minus cos theta. Here 2 will be cancelled, then that equal to dy dx of cos square of cot inverse. What is this one? 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2. What is 1 minus cos theta simplest form? 2 sin square theta by 2. How to write this simplest form? You know, right? Here cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. By using this one, we can easily to write that those forms. How? Just observe here, if you take minus this way, 1 plus cos 2 theta, we will get this side 2 cos square theta. Here we need cos theta, right? Divide theta as theta by 2 on both sides, we will get 2 cos square theta by 2, then 1 plus cos theta value. Fine. As well as 1 minus cos theta also 2 sin square. What is 1 minus that one? Cos 2 theta second form, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Substitute here, again same story, you will get that one. Next, here what is your observation here? Here 2 will be cancelled and this square is applicable for both, and square root will be, oh sorry, here square root is applicable for both, here square root will be cancelled, then inside cot inverse is there. What is cos by 10? Cos cot, I mean here cos by sin also cot inverse, both will be cancelled. We will get only theta by 2 inside, right? So here this is equal to d by dx of here cos square of, here observe, here cot inverse is there. If your square root will be cancelled, cos by sin, cot inverse also cancel, then only inside theta by 2 is there. So here remaining is theta by 2. Now only we discuss, right? What is cos 2 theta form? I mean general cos square theta means it means here 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Now we want to find this one. This 2 divide this side 3. This one it will come answer for cos square theta by 2. Write down now. This is nothing but a dy dx of 1 plus cos theta by 2. What is cos theta here? Answer. Okay, I will write answer, sir, here. Dy by dx of 1. What is cos theta? Answer. Okay, here cos theta, observe here from this one. What is cos theta? Cos theta equal to x by 2, right? Substitute cos theta here. Then 1 plus x by 2 by 2, right? Now what is the derivative? Simple differentiation, right? See, first part, derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 4. So what is my answer here? This is nothing but a 1 by 4 is the my answer. It is the options. Yes, it is option number 1. Next question. See, it's a product of function, right? Whenever product, what is the best shortcut way? Take on log on both sides. Taking, if I am take log on both sides, what we will get? Log y is equal to, see, if I am apply the log here, log of a, b, c and so on, right? What is log a, b, c formula? Log a plus log b plus log c, right? I am using that formula, I am writing directly. Then log a log sin x plus log sin 2x plus log sin 3x plus and so on. If I am differentiate with respect to x, what we will get here? Log y goes to 1 by y into y dash. So I am writing y dash. What is here? Y will come multiple, right? Observe here inside the derivative. Derivative of log x, 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x, like that, right? Okay, now difference. Derivative of log sin x, 1 by sin x. Internal derivative cos. Cos by, observe students, here derivative of log sin x, 1 by sin x. Internal derivative sin cos. Cos by sin cot. So what is my answer? Cot, first one. Here sin 2x by sin 1 by sin 2x into 1 by sin 2x into internal derivative of cos 2x into 2x derivative 2, right? Here comes here 3 times. What is here? Cot 2 times cot 2x, 3 times cot 3x, like that it will come. Now write down answer directly. It's a cot x, here how many times? 1 time, plus 2 times cot 2x plus 3 times cot 3x, like that I will get if I expand this one. What is your observation? It's a sum it is a sum expansion, right? Write into simplest manner. Now this one can be written as this one can be written as y dash equal to y times summation k is equal to 1 to n. How many times it is? First one, k times cot k times cot kx is my answer. Is there an option? Y times k times kx. It is, yes, it is option number 2. Next question, observe. It's a continuity question. First read this one. Okay, is continuous. Okay, if I am substitute to here 2 minus 2 0. Okay, here 2 goes to 2, here 4 will be cancelled, minus 2 here. See, observe here, this case okay, but here we are not getting 0, right? When it will be exist, if you get 0 by 0, we can then we can apply L hospital, right? So it should be becomes 0, then limit will be exist. It's the first point, students. Now write the continuity definition. Limit x goes to 2. What is function here? This one is function, right? Write directly. X square minus of a plus 2 times x plus a is dividing by x minus 2 equal to f of a. What is f of a? At x equal to 2, answer 2 is equal to 2. Observe students, if I apply the limit x goes to 2, this goes to 0, but here 4, this 4 will be cancelled. Here how many times? Minus 2a plus a, it goes to 0, no 0. So when this limit will be exist, it should be goes to 0, that time only we can say limit will be exist. Now I am taking simply this x minus 2, it will come goes to that same limit. If you apply limit, this clearly comes to 0. 2 minus 2 goes to 0. 2 into anything, 0 into anything, 0, right? Now from this one, limit x tends to 2 x square minus of a plus 2 times x plus a equal to limit x tends to 2, how much this one, x minus 2 into 2 times this side where the limit is goes to 0. If I apply the limit, it goes to 0. Just equate this one, how much. Simplify this one, we will get 2. If you subtract 4 minus of a plus 2 times 2 plus a equal to 0. See, observe here, this is the 4, right? And 2 to the 4, it is a plus 4 and minus 4. 2 into a minus 2a plus a. Then how much you will get? Minus 2a plus a means minus 2a plus a equal to 0. Then minus a equal to 0. We can say from this one, a equal to 0. This is my answer. A equal to 0 is possible? Yes. Option 3 is the correct option. Next question. Now it is 11th question according to ours. First, e power log b is right. It's one of the logarithmic property. It's a 1 plus, it's a GP series infinite, right? What is GP series formula? S infinity equal to a by 1 minus r. It is one thing. And what the logarithmic? If any logarithmic base and exponents are same, answer goes to 1. So this goes to e power log b goes to 1, right? Now write the things. dy by dx, right? First I will simplify the y. E power log e answer is 1. Then remaining answer 1 plus x square plus and so on. Then it's clearly in GP series. And what is that formula? I'm finding first of all here s infinite. What is s infinite formula? A by 1 minus r in this one. Observe here, what is a value here? It is a is 1, and what is the r? It's a common difference. Common difference x, right? 1 into x, x into x. It's a common difference is r is x. Substitute those values here. It means it is a x. Oh, it's a 1, right? 1 by 1 minus x. So finally my y is goes to 1 by 1 minus x. It's a clearly u by v form, right? What is a u by v form? It's a very easy, right? Okay, I will write this one, dy dx of u by v equal to u dash v minus u v dash by v square, v whole square, right? It is a very basic formula, right? Okay, now apply the formula and then write down. Now it's a y value. It's a y is equal to, what is u here? U is 1 and v is this one. If I am differentiate, what you will get here? Dy by dx equal to first u dash 0 minus of 1 times 1 minus x means it's a 0 minus of means minus 1 time we will get by 1 minus x whole square we will get, right? If we equate this one, how much? Okay, let me give me a second. I will just scroll this one. Then my answer is minus of minus. I will get 1 by 1 minus x whole square. So this is my final answer. Yeah. Oh. Okay, where it is this one option? It is 1 by option 3. Next one. See this one. If f of x equal to cos inverse of this one and this one, then f dash of. Okay, very easy question. Whenever such stuff of question, take immediately such stuff of questions cos inverse 2 by root 13 times 2 take outside. Okay, whenever this type of question, what you should be do immediately. Here I am taking here 2 by 13 is cos alpha. Here 3 by 13 I will take sin alpha. That is my goal here. If I take that one, cos alpha cos x minus sin alpha sin x. We know very well cos a cos b minus sin a sin b cos of a plus b, right? It means cos of x plus y. Then if you write like that both will be cancelled. That is easy approach. Cos of x plus alpha. If you can cancel this one and this one, what is remaining here? X plus alpha. What is the derivative of x plus 1? Now what is f of x here? Finally, that implies f of x equal to x plus alpha. What is the derivative here now? F dash of x equal to 1. Observe now, it's clearly independent on x, right? Now whatever the value of this one, you will get only either 0.5 or whatever. Now my answer is here 1, where it is the option 2. Therefore I will write here, therefore f dash of 0.5 is clearly our derivative is dependent on x, so this one also you will get 1. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Here they gave one condition, then it's satisfying this one, then g of 3 equal to, then g of 8 equal to how much? First take the condition. What is g of x condition? Here it is the right. If we differentiate with respect to x and both sides, then it will become g of x goes to g of s of x. It is clearly first power rule, right? X power n, x power n minus 1. Here also n x power 1. If we differentiate into f dash goes to f double s, f goes to f dash, right? Do now first 2 times f of x, derivative of f of x, f dash of x. Again here also power rule apply. Then first 2 times 2 times f dash of x, internal derivative f double dash of x. What is your observation here? 2 is common, here f dash is common, 2 is common, f dash is, take out and write. That equal to 2 times f dash of x. If I take out, then remaining f of x plus f double dash of plus x, f double dash of x, sorry. So observe here, what is the f double dash of fx? Here this one, right? How much this one? 0. 0 into anything? 0, right? Substitute. Then 2 times f dash of x times 0. It is nothing but 0, right? Now finally I got here, what we get here? We get g of x is equal to 0. Sorry, right? I spoke wrong. It's a derivative, right? So g of x equal to 0. When we will get 0? If any function, if it is constant function, if we differentiate, then that constant goes to 0, right? Constant where, derivative goes to 0. It means g of x function always should be constant. It means g of x is equal to constant. It means it's independent on that variable, right? Then if what they give here, if g of 3 equal to 8, then g of 8 also, how much they gave here, that fixed value, right? Understood my point here? They gave, okay, I will write here, g of 3 equal to 8. It means, observe here, function, this function is clearly constant. Here 3 they give, how much they said? Constant 8. If you give 8 also, it's independent, again we will get 8 only. So g of 8 it also answer 8. Clear? So option number 4. Next question. Okay, then fs. Okay, they're talking about continuous, right? Okay, I will write the continuous. First definition, limit x tends to, what is continuous? Left hand equal to, what is first at x equal to 0? It is very clear, right? So f of x, I am taking x. If I am substitute x, how much I will get? 0. Coming to right hand side, limit x tends to 0 plus, what is f of x here? Again x only chance, right? At x equal to 0, it's clearly 0, right? It's x. If I am substitute 0 plus, then we will get again. See here, both left hand and right hand limits are equal, right? Then what you will get? And also this is equal to limit value. From this one we can say limit at x approaches to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. It means the limit function is continuous at x equal to which one? At x equal to 0 only, right? Only, not for all. So which option is correct? It is option 3, not everywhere, right? See, if we take here irrational, okay, I will give one example. What is irrational? If we take like any 1 by not 7 by root 2, root 3, like that. See, root 2 never goes to 0, right? Understood, students? So that's why it is continuous only at x equal to 0. Remaining points it won't be satisfied. Next question. The function is from the following graph is this one, and see, observe. First observation is this graph is continuous or discontinuous. It is clearly continuous, right? And also it is a modulus function. What is this modulus function here? At x equal to 1, right? It means modulus of x minus 1. This is a graph function. It's a graph function. It's a modulus of x function, right? And what is sharp point here? Its sharp point is 1. Observe, students, every modulus function is always continuous. Observe where it is continuous. So observe continuous, neither continuous, wrong. It's a differentiable, no. Only option 1 and 3. Check it. And also where the function is not differentiable at sharp point. Keep in mind, students, at x equal to 1 function not differentiable. I will write that step. Every modulus function is always continuous, but at sharp points function not differentiable. Okay, this is the point. Now see the option, which one is good? Correct. Continuous but not differentiable at x equal to, yes, x equal to 1 is sharp point. So which one is correct? Option 1 only, right? Remaining. So they saying in option 3 it's a differentiable. At sharp point is there, it's not differentiable. Next one, again it's a continuous function, right? What is the first? Write the condition, then write down limit x tends to 0. What is f of x here? It is f of x at x equal to 0, 2k. It's f of a. Well, x tends to 0, 3 sine pi x, pi x by 5x equal to 2k, right? Here we know sandwich theorem, right? What is sandwich? Limit x approaches to 0, sine x by x is goes to 1. If you are able to write this one, it is very right? Sine pi x, I am dividing pi x, multiply pi x. That is our first target. Then we will get limit, is very easy. Only one line. That implies limit x approaches to 0. Here I am writing 3 by 5 is 3 by 5x is outside. Then okay, 3 by 5x I will take outside. Then I will multiply and divide by pi. Then answer is very easy, pi. Then 3 by 5 sine pi x by pi x to pi equal to 2k. Here what I did here, I multiplied 5 and pi. So this answer goes to 1. Then 3 by 5 into pi equal to 2k. We need to find here k value. This 2 in this side, then 3 pi by 10. So then our k value goes to 3 pi by 10 is our answer. Where it is the 3 pi by 10? Option number 2. Next question. It's a very easy question, right? And also they are asking only just first derivative, right? First see this one. It is looks like log a by b, right? What is log a by b? Log a minus log b. Apply the logarithmic property, then you will use it to get the calculation, whatever. Now this one I will write like this. First, y is equal to log of 1 minus x square plus, it's a minus, right? Log of 1 plus x square. Then differentiate with respect to x. What we'll get, he will see. That implies y dash. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. It means 1 by 1 minus x square. Internal derivative, this one we will do, right? What is the internal derivative of this one? 0 minus 2x. It means we can simply write minus 2x and minus derivative of log x, 1 by x. Instead of 1x, 1 by 1 plus x square. Till derivative of 1 plus x square, 2x will come. So 1 by 1 plus x square into 2x. Then what you will get here finally, that is equal to plus into minus, minus 2x by 1 minus x square upside minus 2x by 1 plus x square. If I am take LCM on both sides, what will get students here? Observe, downside very clear, right? It is looks like a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Then multiply numerators, then minus 2x times 1 minus 2x, minus 2x keep, minus 2x and 1 plus 2x keep, both will be cancelled. That is a simple. Minus 2x minus 2x keep minus 2x plus 2x cube by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, instead of a 1 square, instead of b x square whole square, x power 4. Here what is the cancellation term? Here minus 2x cube plus 2x cube. Then add those two things, minus 2x minus 2x. How much we will get here? Okay, I will write that answer is minus 4x by 1 minus x power 4. Is there minus 4x by 1? Yes, it's option number 3. Next, again continuous function. What is the continuity? It's a limit existing, right? Right, the continuous function at x equal to how much they are saying. Okay, they didn't mention at what is the at continuous at x equal to 5. See the problem where at x equal to 5. First apply the condition, limit x tends to 5, 3x minus h equal to 2k. Apply the 5, then 15 minus h equal to 2k, then 15 minus 8 equal to 7, 7 equal to 2k, then k equal to 2, divide this side, then k equal to 7 by O, k equal to 7 by 2. We got the answer, where it is option number 2. Now next question. Now it is a variable power variable, right? What is the best shortcut? Taking log on both sides. If I am take log on both sides, then log x to the power of y is equal to log of e to the power of x minus y. It is looks like log a power b, log a power b. What is log a power b? Log a power b equal to b log a, right? Apply that one, then write down. That implies y log x equal to x minus y times log v. We know that, we know, right? Log e value is how much? 1. So what is remaining here? From this one, as well as here y is there, here y is there, take y outside. So here this one goes to 1. Then if I am take outside y also, y times remaining 1 plus that minus 1 goes to plus 1. Here if I am saying y this side plus 1, but it will come here, log x is there, 1 plus log x equal to x is remaining, right? From this one what we can say y value? Y is equal to x by 1 plus log x. Now derivative again, u dash v, right? U dash 1 times 1 plus log x minus u, x times 1 derivative 0, log x derivative 1 by x. Understood? I am using here quotient rule formula, 1 by x, 1 plus log x whole square. Here x will be cancelled, and this one minus 1 and this plus 1. So what is the remaining answer? It's a log x by y dash equal to log x by 1 plus log x whole square, where it is the log x by 1 plus, option number 3. Next, it's a standard property question, right? It's just 1 second question. Whenever, see, keep in mind students, whenever your function like this, x power m, y power m equal to x plus y whole to the power of m plus n, then your derivative of this function is simply y by x, y by x. Very easy question. So it is option number 4 is there. If you want, I will solve this question. I mean, you should know the proof how we will get like that. Write a comment. Okay, I will do now. Motivate. Here I think proof is not required, students. If you want particularly this proof, just write a comment. It's a standard property. Whenever this one, just it's a 1 second question. If you want, then write a comment. I will do this proof. Next question, see this one. What is given? It's a tan inverse of this one equal to alpha. See, very simple. This tan inverse center side, then tan alpha will get. Then we will get derivative very easy. Then x square plus y square equal to tan alpha. If I am differentiate with respect to x on both sides, then what will get? Here derivative of x square 2x in, and here 2y into y dash. Here tan alpha goes to 0. It's independent on x, right? It goes to 0. Write down that one. Then what will get? 2x plus 2y times y dash equal to 0. Here 2 and cancel. Then y dash is equal to, from this one, y dash equal to minus x. Y dash I want minus x by y. This is derivative of the function. Which option it is? Minus x by y means it is option number 1. Next, it's a high type question, right? Whenever this type of question, what is the probability chances? Here it's like how much pi by, oh, it's a like pi by 4 plus x. We'll get if we did, oh, it's a option number 4. We will get directly 1. We will see how we will get. Simple. It's a high type expansions. If I take inside cos x outside here, then cos x will be here also, cos x, both will be cancelled. Then 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. 1 we can write like this. 1 we can write tan pi by 4 minus that side tan x. 1 plus is downside, right? Here nothing is there. 1 I will multiply. Instead of 1 we can write tan pi by 4 into tan x, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b, tan of a minus b, right? It's a simple. Tan of, instead of a, pi by 4, instead of b, how much it is there? Oh, it's a plus case, right? Sorry. Then here it will come minus. It is a tan of a, pi by 4 plus x. Then tan inverse, tan both will be cancelled. Pi by 4x only will get. But pi by 4 plus x derivative 1. Now I will write directly tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus x, simplest form. Then if we cancel these two, then we will get only pi by 4 plus x. Write down that one, pi by 4 plus x. Then what is y here? Pi by 4 plus x. If we derivative, then y dash equal to pi by 4 goes to 0, then 1. So it's option number 4. Next, again it is a simple question, students. Just see, they are saying the derivative of this one with respect to cos inverse x. Let us take, I will take one variable, this one variable. Then let us take u, it is v. Then they are asking du by dv, like that. It is the question. Now write down. First, let u equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 and v equal to cos inverse x. Here we know, right, in IDF we have one identity is there, right? What is that identity here? Cos inverse of, we know that cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 equal to 2 times cos inverse x. Here what is cos inverse of u? It is, what is cos inverse x? V. So if you substitute those things from this one, oh, it's u, right? U equal to 2v. Now differentiate according to question. This one is the differentiate with this one. It means d by dv with respect to u. Apply. Then what you will get? Simple answer, right? Then if you differentiate u with respect to v, then d by dv of 2v, right? It is nothing but a 2. What is my answer here? 2 is my answer. It is the, yes, it's option number 1. Understood, students? Any doubt here? Observe, with respect to v I am doing here du by v, right? How much is a derivative of 2v? 2 is the answer, right? Next, again it is a continuous question. It's a without pen and paper we will try to question. So, continuous at x equal to 2. If I am substitute x equal to 2, 4k equal to 3, k then k equal to 3 by 4, option number 2. Now write down. If I am substitute directly 4k is equal to 3, then k equal to 3 by 4. It's a just 1 to 2 seconds questions in our Kcet exam. It's a very luck, right? This type of questions only you will get. Next one. Let f of x equal to the given. They're asking here derivative. Now first do the differentiation. Okay, f dash of x is equal to derivative of x here 1 derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, minus of 1 is plus, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, instead of minus plus plus 1 by x square. They're asking 1 at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, f dash of 1 1 plus 1 by whole square, it means 1 plus 1 2 is my answer. Where it is the option 2, option number 2 is the correct answer. Next, see the next question. Again continuous question. First apply the limit. If I am apply the limit, okay, it's a square root function, right? Without square root, what is the simplest form? Rationalization is very easy. Okay, here if I am substitute x equal to 0, 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1, okay, minus 1. Here no problem. What is this value goes to minus 1. Just simplify this one and write down. Then I will write direct simplification. Limit x approaches to 0. If I take here rationalization, what will get? A plus b into a minus b. Then what will happen? 1 and 1 will get kx minus of 2kx will get in. So 2kx times is a numerator dividing by here x is the right. Oh, x is the right. If I am x is goes to 0. Oh, okay, x is, oh, I will write first one more step by denominator as it is x times what is the rationalization? It's a plus case, right? Plus case, if I am substitute x equal to 0, this one 0, then 1 plus 1 2 we will get. So downside 2 I will get. If any doubt, please write a comment, I will clarify, students. Then yeah, 2 will be cancelled. Oh, this limit is equal to how much I have said here? How much I said? 0 0 to substitute minus 1, right? Is equal to minus 1, right? Then we need to find here which one k value. Okay, from this one, oh okay, x also common, right? Cancel. Then k by 2 is equal to minus 1. From this one, k equal to minus 2 is that minus 2. Oh, I did wrong, right? Where, just give me a moment, I will check where I did mistake. Wait, oh my god, I used to cancel, right? Okay, sorry students, it's a little mistake happened. If I cancel this 2 also, then how much this side? Right hand side equal to minus 1, I said, right? From this one, only k is left of the remaining, here left side k equal to minus 1. Now it is a, yes, it's option number 2. Next question. First from this one, take x coefficient outside, then write one side and then differentiate with, they're asking with respect to x. First you differentiate with respect to y, then take reciprocal. That is our target. Now if I am take x is outside, I mean one side, then that side cos y by cos of a plus y will come, right? This look like u by v. What is u by v formula derivative? Then if I am differentiate with respect to x, I will do here calculations. I will dx by dy with respect to y I am doing. Then cos y derivative minus sin y times denominator cos of a plus y. Next, minus times u cos y into v dash, derivative of cos minus sin times a plus y, here not y, right? If I am do internal derivative a plus y, how much it will come? It's a 1, right? No need to write. Dividing by cos of, what is denominator part? Cos of a plus y whole square, it will come. Is there any option? Cos of y, oh, it's a cos square of a plus y. Then if I'm take, okay, we need to divide x, so we can say from this step only, students, which option is correct. Here dx by dt we get, but we need divide x, we will take this one, it will come numerator, option 2, we will see it will come out. Now then one, by observation here, here minus of minus plus, right? Here minus, what is your observation? Cos a, okay, sin a, cos b minus cos a sin b. What is this formula here, right? What is this formula here? Sin of a minus b, right? Then write that formula here. Sin of, instead of a plus y, instead of b, oh, instead of a plus y, instead of b, it's a, oh, it's a y, right? Dividing by cos square of a plus y. So both will be cancelled, then only sin a is remaining. Then if I take reciprocal, then I will get which option? Directly option number. From this one we can say this one is answer, right? It will come ulta, right? Reciprocal. Now option number 2 is correct. Next, okay, they're asking f dash, right? First, whenever this type of question, right, first f at f x equal to pi by 6, what is cos pi by 6 value? It is root 3 by 2, right? And minus o, say root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Which one is bigger? This one is bigger. If I delete some lower smaller part, we will get greater than 0. It means our modulus is positive, so remove the modulus and find out derivative. Now f of x is becomes cos x minus sin x at x equal to 6. Then what is the derivative of f dash of x? Equal to cos derivative minus and sin derivative cos. Here minus is common for both. If I take outside and substitute x equal to pi by 6, sin pi by 6, what is sin pi by 6? It's a half, and plus what is cos pi by 6? Say root 3 by 2. If I am take LCM, minus 1 plus root 3 by 2, 1 plus root 3 by 2, okay, and 2 also take outside, minus 1 by 2 times 1 plus root 3. So which option is correct? So it is option number A. Next one, it's a very very easy question, right? So how to do this question? Y equal to this one. Observe, whatever this expression is there, right, it is nothing but a y, right? What is y form here? Under root of x. So I will consider this full form as y, then derivative, we'll get answer. So I will write this one as y equal to under root of x plus y. So what is the best shortcut trick here? Taking squaring on both sides, then we will get y dash. Simple, right? If I take squaring on both sides, then y goes to y square. This squaring both sides will cancel, x plus y. Then differentiate both sides, then what is answer here? Here if I am differentiate both sides, y square to y into integral derivative y dash, derivative of x 1 plus y dash. Here I want to find y dash, right? Take y dash terms one side, then if I take y dash is one side, 2y minus 1, that side how much it is there? 1. Then write y dash one side, dividing remaining this term, more divide that side, then y dash is equal to 1 by 2y minus 1. This is my derivative. So it is option number 1 by 2 minus 2y minus 1, option number 4. Oh, now it is very very easiest question, right? What is sin inverse of 3? It's a 2 tan inverse x, right? We have sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. 3 forms are there. Cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x, and one more tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus, right, 1 minus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. We can easily write simplest form of this one. Write down now. What is this answer? Simplest form. Otherwise you can substitute, right? 1 plus x square means put x equal to tan theta, you will get again same thing, 2 tan inverse x also in the students, your choice. What is the best strategy? What is the simplest form? 2 tan inverse. I'm going to write simplest. This answer is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So then f dash of x equal to 2 times derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. It means 2 by 1 plus square. At root 3 they are asking, right? So x goes to root 3, then root 3 whole square will be cancelled. 1 2 plus 4 1, so half will be cancelled with option number 1. Now how to will get see. Now f dash of root 3 is equal to 2 by 1 plus root 3 square root will be cancelled 3. So 2 by 4 it is equal to 1 by 4 2. So option 1 is correct. Next, it is also very easiest question here. It's a simple derivative, right? What is this? It looks like a power x, a power x, a power x. What is the a power x derivative? Equal to a power x times log a, derivative of d by dx of a power x. Substitute the formula, you will get answer simply. Now if I am differentiating on both sides, what you will get? 2 power x times log 2 plus 2 power y times, I am differentiating with respect to now what is the variable y. So internal derivative will come log 2 times internal derivative of y dash I will get this side. So 2 power x plus y derivative 2 power x plus y times log a instead of a 2. Internal derivative of x plus y, x is 1 and y is y dash, right? From this one we can easily cancel log 2 log 2. If I am taken both sides, it will be cancelled. Then y dash terms also take one side and write common and then write the final answer. If I take y dash, okay, what is the remaining term here? Okay, if I first take y dash is common, then this side 2 power y is remaining, right? What about this side? 2 power x plus y. What about that side remaining? 2 power x plus y, this left hand side minus 2 power x. I want to find y dash, right? Remaining terms move that side. 2 power x plus y by minus 2 power x by 2 power y minus 2 power x plus y. Observe students here. What is 2 power x plus y? They said 2 power x plus 2 power y. Here also substitute. If I am substitute that value 2 power x plus 2 power y minus 2 power x. Here 2 power y minus of means minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. Then what is your observation? Here the both 2 power x cancel and 2 power y cancel. Then the remaining terms are plus into minus minus. If I move to upside 2 power y into 2 power minus x, it means minus 2 times 2 power y minus x. So where it is my option? Okay, it is option number 1, right? Next question. This is also very easiest question, right? We did already this type of problem, right? Okay, first it looks like variable power variable where take log on both sides. That is the first trick here. Okay, if I am take log on both sides, then log a power b, then directly I am write. So b log a, y log x e. Then what is b here? X times log e. Understood this step? Understood? If you not understood, then write a comment. That implies here observe what is log a answer 1 and also log a b, right? Log a b equal to log a plus log b. Apply that to properties. Y times log x plus log e. What is log e answer? 1 equal to x times log e 1. So here we need to find y dash, right? So from this one y equal to x by 1 plus log x. Here we can say from this step we can say answer. Yeah, there are two options are possible. So it is v by y, right? V square it will come either this one or this one. We will see which one it will come. Now if I am differentiate with respect to, okay, where should I write calculations? Can I write? Okay, I will try to finish calculations here. Y dash equal to upside x is 1 times 1 plus log x, it will minus x times 1 is goes to 0, then that is log x is 1 dividing by 1 plus log x whole square. So this one is 1 by x, right? Sorry. So this x will cancel, plus 1 minus 1 also cancel. So how much is there numerator? Log x by 1 plus log x whole square. So which option is there? Log x. Means it is option number 4. Next, see this question. Again, it's a product of this function. Whenever product of this one, take shortcut trick. Log on both sides. If I take log on both sides, then log y equal to, so it looks like log x power m, log x power n. So what is x? m log x, right? I'm writing directly formula also. If I take that one, 2 times log of x minus 1 plus 3 times log of x minus 2 plus 5 times log of x minus 3. Then if I differentiate with respect to x, what will happen? Log y goes to 1 by y into y dash. So this y is goes there now, 1 by y into y dash. Y dash. I want to find y dash. So this way I will take cross multiplication. That is my goal here. Then what I will get? I will get obviously this one, right? Y means what is the y at x equal to 4? They're saying, right? 4 minus. Okay, I will let y dash equal to here y. What is y here? This one. At y, what is the x value? 4. If I'm substitute 4 minus 1, 3 all square. Next 4 minus 2 all cube. Next 4 minus 3, 1. Like that, right later. First one answer goes to here 4 minus 1, 3 square, 9. Next here, how much this one? 4 minus 2, 2 cube. It's 8. Next here 4 minus 3, 1 power 5. 1 is nothing. It is 1 power anything, 1 only. So no need to write. So times internal side, right? So what is the 2 logs x minus 1? If you differentiate this one, it's a 2 by log derivative x minus 1, right? 2 by x minus 1. If I substitute x equal to 4 minus 1, it is a 2 by 3. So okay, I will add one more step. 2 by x minus 1 plus 3 by x minus 2 plus 5 by x minus 3, derivative of those things. Then at x equal to, they say 4, substitute now, 9 8 is 72. Then inside 2 by 3, 4 x equal to 4, right? So 3 by 2, 4 minus 2, 2 plus 5 by 4 minus 3, 1. So take LCM. Then how much? The resultant answer, it should be 72 times. The LCM should be 6. Then how many? 2 times 2 is 4 plus how many? 3 3 is 9 plus how many times? 6 5 is 30. Then numerator will come how many? 6 1 is 6, 12 times it will go, right? So it's a multiple of 12 times. How much this side inside? 39. 39 plus 4, it's a 43, right? 43 times 12, it is nothing, it's a 516, right? 43 into 10, 430, and 43 twice, it's a 86. If I'm at 86, fine, yes, it's a 516. I'll get option number 4. Now see this question. See also standard results. What is the simplest answer for this question? If I'm this one UV formula, then okay, it's option number 1. We'll see. Y dash equal to, see, it's a product formula. It's a u function, it's a v function. So what is a u function? U dash v plus u v dash. Apply formula. U dash, so derivative of 1 0 and x square 2x tan inverse x plus u 1 plus x square into v dash, derivative of 1 tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, derivative. So what is the remaining here? This one also, derivative of x is 1, so minus 1. So what is your observation? This term and this term will cancel. Then this one also will cancel. What is the remaining here? Plus 1 and minus 1, right? So this one equal to 2x tan inverse x. So which option? Option number 1. Next question. So whenever this type of question, right, I'll give shortcut. Students, just apply that shortcut, you will get very fastly in examination time. Now see this one. Whenever your question looks like f of x power g of x, right? Then what is shortcut trick answer? F of x power g of x times g dash of x log f of x plus g of x times f dash of x by f of x. Apply this formula, you will get answer. No, I will face difficulty for this one. If you're feeling like this, take this one part, this one part, take log on both sides, you will get all substitute again. That time also you will get answer. Now just apply this property, you will get answer at x equal to pi by 2 at only one step. We will get answer very fastly, students. That answer how much you will get, I will tell you. Characters part you will do very easy, right? Okay, I only will do. So what is this y dash? If I am substitute here, this part f of x power g of x, if x pi by 2 means sin pi by 2 1, so it will come, how much outside? First of all pi by 2 it will come, right? Pi by 2 power 1, so pi by 2, and inside it will come 0 dash of x means, and it goes to 0. 0 plus how much, it will come 2 by pi, right? Then what about the second part? Is goes to 1, so it 1 times, what is this side? It is second side sin x power, it means sin 0, it means 0 plus 0. If I cancel, so it's a reciprocal, this part, this part, this part, then how much I will get? It's a nothing but a just 1, right? So my answer is simply this part goes to 0, so only remaining this one. So understood my, but this part goes to 0, this answer is 1. If any doubt, please drop a message. I will tell you how to do this particular question. If you have doubts, please drop a comment section. This option is question number, this one option number 2. Next question, very simple question, right? Now only we discuss, right? What is this question? Simplest form, it's a 2 tan inverse x. What is this answer? 2 tan inverse x, right? They are asking with respect to x. How much answer? You tell me. It's a fraction of seconds. Yes or no? So what is your observation here? U equal to this one, v equal to this one. So here your observation, u equal to v. If you want differentiation with respect to u, du by dv, that v goes to 1. So my answer is how much here? No, option 3, 1. It's just second. And now this question is very interesting question and also very easy. Now function is continuous at x equal to how much they didn't say, right? What we will see, at x, okay, it's a 1 minus, right? It's a, oh no, it's a false, it's a 1 minus this one, it's a left hand function. 1 plus, it's a right hand function. Now apply first 1, how much I will get here? 1 minus 1, 0, here 1 minus, yes, this function is continuous. Wrong. So only next is the differentiable, x cube minus 1, 3x square, at x equal to 1, 3. What about this side? X equal to 1, x minus 1, 1, equal to 1, no, not equal, so it is not differentiable. Continuous, differentiable, false, continuous, not. So option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Understood now my point? If I am substitute, clearly function is continuous at x equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Coming to differentiation, then okay, limit x tends to 1 minus x cube minus 1 equal to limit x tends to 1 plus x minus 1, both how much we are getting? 0. Here we are getting 0, here also we are getting 0. And if we substitute at x equal to 1 here, at x equal to 1, here we will get f of 0, right? It is nothing but how much? It's f of 0, it's a continuous function definition. Next, what is the derivative of this one? Left hand limit equal to 1. Oh, it's a derivative, left hand derivative, and right hand derivative of x cube, 3x square at x equal to 1, 3. Observe students, here it's a left hand derivative function, a derivative of x 1, x cube 3x square at x equal to 1, 3. Then you will get answer this one. So both are same, it's equal, not equal, so not differentiable. So option 2 correct. Next question. So it is, first of all, now see this question, whenever see x power x is both x power a x power minus 1. So here is there, here it is there, here not there, here not there, so here it is there, so it is false. Next, a power x, what is the a power x? A power x times log a, where it is there, here it is false, so here it is there, a power x log a, here it is there, a power x not there, so option 2 is correct. A power a goes to 0, derivative of a power a independent times x. So without pen and paper, see, I don't want to find out this, all those things. This one, it is correct or not? Yes, x take and log both sides, then you will get answer. It's not a matter, right? So option 2 is correct. Next one, it's a very simple, right? If I am okay, take power rule, then what is 2 times? Okay, write down y dash equal to 2 times cos of x square. Now do derivative of cos function. What is the derivative of cos? Minus sine times minus sine x instead of x square. It's a x. Is a x? No. Internal derivative should be 2x. So if I add all these things, what is your, and also what is your observation? 2 sine x cos x. What is formula? Sine 2x, right? What is sine 2x? 2 sine x cos x. I will apply this formula. Then so here plus into minus, minus 2 times x is there. How much I wrote? Sin 2x instead of x, sin 2x. So where it is their option? See this one. It is option number minus 2. It's option number 3. Next one. See this question. It's a one function u. It is a one function v. Now differentiate, then tell me. Now first y dash equal to sin n power n sin n power sin power n minus 1 x instead of internal derivative of sin cos x into v. What is v here? Cos nx plus u sin power nx into cos nx derivative minus sin nx into internal derivative of this one, n will come. So what is your observation, students? Here n is n sin n power nx. Here n is also sin power nx. Here n minus 1 not there, sir. So I will multiply here inside, then we will get answer one. So if I would take outside n sin power n minus 1 x is outside, then what is remaining here? Cos nx into cos x minus here sin n. Here I took n minus 1, right? So here sin nx not, sin x not there. Here see, here I took n inverse, but here it is there, only n is there, right? If I multiply here, sin plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, then we will get again same step. So I will multiply inside sin x sin nx. So what is your observation, students? Here cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. It is a cos of a plus b. Write down that one. That equal to n sin power n minus 1 x cos of a plus b instead of a nx instead of b plus x, right? We are getting this one. Yeah. What is your observation? Both term is contain common x. Take out, then n times sin power n minus 1 x. If I take outside x also, so n plus 1 times x. So which option is suitable? N sin power n minus 1 cos of. So it is option number, which one is perfect? 2, right? Next, it's a continuous function. How much answer we will see without any work. So if it is okay, if I substitute here k equal to k pi plus 1. Here what is cos pi? Minus 1, right? Okay, that's a minus 1. Okay, it's a minus 2 by pi or minus pi by 2. So minus 2 where, right? Yes, you will see k pi plus 1 equal to cos pi, right? What is cos pi answer? Minus 1. K pi plus 1 equal to minus 1. If I send minus plus 1 this side, k pi equal to minus 1 minus 2. I want k value. So minus 2 by pi. So what is my answer here? Option number 4. Next one, derivative of cos root x. Very easy. What is the derivative of cos? Generally y dash equal to minus sin root x. You say x. No. What is internal derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So one of which option is? It is nothing but a minus sin root x by 2 root x. So which option is correct? Option number 3. Next one. See, this is very important and easiest question. This question they ask us a lot of times in examinations. Whenever this type of question is given, you should be remember immediately this table, student. What is this table? Here I will write here. It's a exponential function. It's a logarithmic function. They will ask, one is domain. Domain. One is range. What is the domain of exponential function? It's very simple. It's the set of real number, right? It will take every value on number line. What about range of this one? Here it will take only positive, right? Positive real number. Coming to logarithmic function, which type of function it will take? It is always positive real number. And which type of function it will give range? It's the set of all. If you give positive real number, it will give all real numbers. So this one only. Now what they're asking in this question? So it is domain is r plus. See, you just keep in mind like this, like this, or r plus, quite opposite. So domain of these two functions and range of these two functions. Now they're asking domains of exponential and logarithmic function. It means they're asking this one, the real numbers and the set of positive, real number and set of positive. So which one is correct? Option number 1. Clear? If you ask range also, you can use it to answer the students in examination time. Next, the exponential function y equal to b over x is increasing on a point on this one. So here b greater than 1, right? Suppose, so which one is most suitable? Suppose if I take here, okay, 1 is 0, it is satisfied. No, right? Y equal to 0, it is b not 0. If I am substitute x equal to 0, then y should be yes. So which one is suitable? Okay, y equal to I am taking 1 and b power 0. You know anything power 0, 1 equal to 1, it's a correct statement. So option number 1. Next is a point on the graph, right? Is b greater than 1, which one is possible? We'll say again. And also students, whenever you have this type of, oh, it's the same, you see, both are interrelated question, right? Here observe, I will give this one. Whenever we have any logarithmic, log b exponent x equal to y, we can write this one x equal to b power y. Clear students? Understood? Now what is the possibility? B greater than 1. Now if I take here y is 0, then possible? We will see one by one option. First one we see, if x is 0. If x is 0, can we able to define now, right? Okay, if x is 1, log 1 goes to 0. Oh yes, then y equal to 0. Then we can say 0 0 1 1. No, not possible. 1 log 1 0, but it is not 1 not equal to 0, right? So this option will be wrong. 0 0 also will be wrong. So what is suitable here? Option number P. Clear? Since log 1 equal to 0. Next, which of the following expansion of e? Okay, what is the first of all? E power x expansion. What is the e power x expansion? 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on, right? Observe with this standard form, what is how much x value here? They gave only e, right? Here nothing, and means 1. X value goes to 1. Substitute x equal to 1, then write down e power 1. Nothing is there, means 1. 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 square means 1. 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 cube 1, say 3 factorial plus and so on. So which option is? It is option number 4. Next question. Very easy question, right? Now only we discussed, right? 167. Yes or no? Instead of a, they gave now 10. Observe these two questions. Where we did these questions here, right? Observe students. This question we did here only, right? What we can say from this one? If these two are equal, this one also equal. Now observe. Instead of x they gave, instead of x 10 10 they gave, right? What is this symmetric about the line? Which line? Y equal to x only, right? We can say from this one equal to this one. No other choice, right? Otherwise this logarithm we can't define. So what is the correct option? It's a y equal to x. How to we can say? Simply we know, right? So the graph of any function, its inverse is always symmetric about the line. Which line? Y is equal to x only, right? Otherwise it is not possible. See how when is the function will be symmetric? If I take x equal to 10 power y, then it should be x equal to log base 10 y, right? Then we can get from this one as this one, symmetric. Otherwise no choice. Next one. Now if you want to solve this type of question, first you should know one basic property, log property. Whenever logarithmic log base a exponent b, we can write this one as log b by x log a, whatever the exponent, whatever e or 1, your choice, it's not a. Now apply that one. Log a b can be written as log a by log b into next log b by log c into next log c by log d. What is your observation here? log b cancel, log c cancel. What is the remaining here? Log a by log a. How to write this one? Log base should be d and exponent should be a. So which option? It is option number 2. Derivative of e power x. It's a very easy question, right? Derivative of e power any function, e power x instead of x square, internal derivative 2x. So 2x times e power x square. Option is 1. Next, which of the following is common logarithmic? Okay, first one is a common logarithmic. No, right? It's not a common logarithmic. It's a base. It's a natural logarithm. What is this one? Whenever e means it's a natural logarithm. Whenever base, oh, it's a 10. Whenever common logarithm means base should be always 10. So which one is correct? B. So under a it is a 1, right? It's not a logarithmic, right? So whenever base is 10, we can say that one is common logarithm. It's a basic property of logarithmic, student. From this one we can write log a. Why? Because of log a by log 10, log 10 goes to 1. So it is only common logarithm. This one is goes to which one? Natural logarithm. It is goes to common logarithm. So my option is number 3. Next, if u and v are two functions, derivative of their product, which means uv formula uv dash equal to u dash v plus uv dash. So where it is there? Uv whole dash equal to uv dash. So option number 2. Derivative of secant of 10x. Okay, very easiest question. So what is the derivative of this one? Y dash equal to first derivative of secant x. What is the derivative of secant x? Secant x instead of x, tan root x. Derivative of secant is secant x into tan x. Tan of x means tan root x. It's a simple x. Now what we should do here is an internal derivative. Derivative of tan x, secant square x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. What is the instead of x? Root x. Here only x. It's not. It is a x. It's not x, right? It's a root x. What is the internal derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So this is derivative of this function. So where it is there option? This one. So option 1 by 2 root. Oh, it is option 3. Right. Next one. Again, very easiest question, right? Without pen, I will say it is option number 1. We will see. It's a 2 times x, right? How many times we did this type of? Now what is simplest form of this one? 2 tan inverse x and then y dash equal to 2 derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square. So my answer is 1. So otherwise if you take x equal to tan inverse, but it's very long. So just you should be remember standard form, students. Then what about this answer now? If I am right upside, what will happen? Secant inverse of 1 by x, we can write cos inverse of x. Cos inverse. Now only we discussed, right? What is cos inverse of 2x square minus 1? It is nothing but 2 cos inverse x, right? What is this answer? 2 cos inverse x. It's just a basic property. If y equal to 2 cos inverse x, then y dash equal to 2. What is the derivative of cos inverse x? Minus 1 by. So minus 1 into plus minus. So 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Minus 1 of this one. So my option is 4. Next. Now this one is easy. Oh, this question is special, right? Now see this question, student. It's a very interested in our examination. We know that, right? So if you expand this one, put x equal to tan theta. What is simplest form? Generally, if it is cos inverse, then 2 tan inverse x will come. When if it is cos, but they gave this one. What is this expansion? If you expand this one, tell me first. We will get cos 2 theta. Okay, write down first. What is simplest form of this one? Y equal to sin inverse of cos 2 theta. This is very interesting question, students. It's if you are able to do this type of questions, you will get full confidence. See, observe when you will get cos in like trigonometrical angles. Here cos means it's a sin 90 minus, right? Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. That's simple approach, right? Apply sin inverse sin 90 minus theta instead of theta 2 theta, right? Now observe, if you sin 90 minus theta cos 2 theta, now both will be cancelled. This is the trick here. Now both will be cancelled. What is the remain here? Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. What is theta here? Whenever this type of questions, put x equal to tan theta, then pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. What is minus 2 tan here? Say now function, it is a y, right? Now what is y dash? It's a pi by 2 0, then minus 2 tan inverse x is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. It means minus. So which option is correct here? Option number 3, right? Next, it's a very simple derivative. See this question here, x square 2x and 2y dash is 0. Now do this calculation. So 2x, I am differentiating with respect to 2x plus 2y dash equal to 0. Then 2 will be cancelled. Then I want y dash, therefore y dash equal to minus x, y dash equal to minus x by y, students. So option number 4 is my correct option. Next, dy by dx, again same, right? But if you observe in this question, it's a product of this function. UV formula we should use, that's it. Now what is the differentiate with respect to x? 2x plus first u dash 1 into y plus u x into y derivative y dash plus y square derivative 2y into y dash equal to 0. I need to find here y dash, right? Y dash take out, then right remaining to that side. So if I take this one, 2y plus x equal to, what about the other side? It is minus of y plus 2x or x plus 2y, 2x plus y. Then if I am divide remaining terms that side, minus of 2x plus y by, what is remaining terms here? 2y plus x. I will divide this side. Then what is the correct question here? X plus 2y or y plus 2x, both will be same. It's not a matter. Here x plus 2y. So which one is correct? Minus of 2x. So option number 1, students. Now see the next question. Say just product, right? Say u, it's a v. What is the derivative of v? U dash v plus u v dash. Very easiest question. Now do the product and then tell me. U dash derivative of x plus 1, 1 into x plus 2 plus u times x plus 1 into v dash, x plus 2 derivative 1. Then if you add this to x plus x, 2x will come, right? And 2 plus 1, 3. So 2x plus 3 is the correct option. So it is option number 2. Next question, x power y. Again it is a very interesting question, right? Okay, this question we will do last. Okay, now only we will do what is this one, x power y. Take first variable power variable, take log n. Whenever variable power, take log n both sides. That's very tricky. Now log, okay, log a, okay, I will take logarithm, then it looks like a power b also, then I will write directly. So y log x equal to x log y I will get. Then if I am differentiate on both sides, then what you will get? Y dash into log x. It's a uv, right? It's a one function plus u dash v plus u. What is u here? Y log x derivative 1 by x equal to, what about this side? How much I will get? X derivative 1 into log y plus y x times, what is log y derivative? 1 by y times y dash. Next, from this one, if I am take y dash is outside, then how much I will get here? Here log x this side, and what about that side? Minus x by y. What is the remain here? Equal to here log y minus y by x. Okay, take LCM and then tell me everything. Then y dash equal to, then this. Okay, first I will write one more step for better understanding. Y dash times y log x minus x by y is equal to, how much this side? X log y minus y by x. Observe students, if I am divide this term that side, this one will goes to multiple of this one, and this one go to multiple of this one. Now write down this one. How much I will get answer here from this one? Tell me first. From this one, y dash I will get y by x times x log y minus y by y log x minus x. This one is my correct option. Now where it is option there? Option number 2. If you have any doubt, please drop a comment. Next question, see this one. Derivative of cos inverse x how much? It's a straightforward question, right? Derivative of cos inverse minus 1 by x times under root of x square minus 1. It is where it is option number 4. So this is the way, students, you can use it to solve all differential calculus today. So next mock test you will completely depending on integral calculus and few any like matrices easiest part also you will get. After that, from mock test 3 onwards you will get full syllabi on mock. So until that time, keep learning. All the best, students. Bye bye, students. If any doubt, please drop a message in comment section.